evaluate the integral of sine 6x cosine x. So we apply the sum to product, the product to sum identity first. So if we have sine A cosine B, it's equal to 1/2 times the quantity sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. So if we apply on the given integral, we can let A equal to 6x and we can let B equal to x. So therefore, the integral of sine 6x cosine x is also equal to 1/2 times sine of A plus B. So A is 6x plus B is x. Then plus sine of A minus B. So A is 6x minus B is x dx. So we can put this constant in front. So 1/2 integral of sine of 6x plus x, 7x, plus sine of 6x minus x, 5x dx. Then we distribute the integral. We have 1/2 integral of sine 7x dx plus 1/2 integral of sine 5x dx. So 1/2 integral of sine 7x, if you have a coefficient of 7 for x inside the sine, you'll have 1 over the coefficient 7 as the integral, and then the integral of sine is negative cosine, then copy the 7x inside, plus 1/2 integral of sine 5x. So this time the coefficient of x is 5. So we'll also get 1 over the coefficient 5, and then the integral of sine is negative cosine, copy 5x, then put plus c for the constant of integration. So we multiply 1/2 times 1/7, 1/14 with a negative sign. So we have negative 1 over 14 cosine 7x. Then plus 1/2 times 1/5 is 1/10. Again with negative sign. So we have negative 1/10 cosine 5x plus c. So this is the final answer.